Hi, welcome to Complementary Feeding. Today's meal, we will use chicken livers. Congratulations! Your baby is now 6 months and is ready for complementary feeding. He will still continue with the full amount of breast milk or formula, but he can start testing family meals. To be sure that baby is ready, ensure that baby has doubled his birth weight, he sits upright, has interest in family meals, and does not push things out of his mouth using his tongue. Today, we will make simple chicken liver meal for various ages. Fry the liver with a little oil. Oil adds energy and adds taste. Add oil, onions, and cook until all blood is out or it's very soft. Add tomatoes, carrots, courgette, all in small amounts. A pinch of salt is good for baby's rapid growing needs. Cook for 5 more minutes. Add enough water for stew. Cook till it's very soft or tender, easy to mash. Remember, you can add in any spices if you love spices, but make it fresh. Remember, you can also add some amounts of carbohydrates of your choice. It could be ugali, green bananas, potatoes, rice, pumpkin, or as is available. Like all of us, babies love brightly colored food. For 6 to 7 months, mash using a fork until it's very soft. Protein needed per meal at this age is just 5 to 10 meals. And when you add to the baby's carbohydrate portion, total amount needed is just 10 to 12 meals, given twice daily and for just 3 days before you change to another meal. Baby is just testing and mama is observing for any food reactions. For 8 to 9 months, use wooden spoon to allow bigger lumps. Also add carbohydrates of choice. Altogether, baby needs only 30 to 60 meals twice daily. 10 to 12 months, give small pieces that baby can feed by himself, and it takes about 80 to 100 meals. He can also take 2 to 3 small snacks in between while still breastfeeding or taking the milk portions for the day. Encourage thorough chewing before swallowing. Remember to give some fruits. Remember also to give safe drinking water. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share.